We usually wait for something to be broken to fix it. But when it comes to family life, that is not the best way forward. We have designed 2 days, 2 holidays, where on day 1, we're going to look at how to grow stronger as a couple. And on day 2, we're going to look at how to equip ourselves on our parenting journey.
If you've been married for some time and are still in the honeymoon phase, then you are one of the few lucky ones. All of us at some point of time move from the honeymoon phase to what we call the realization phase. When you start listing off things that you have to take care of, that's going to be children, your career, your marriage, family, investments, a whole lot of stuff that not handled properly could lead to conflict, which could further lead to breakdown of communication. Now it's time for us to reassess the relationship. To help us understand how to manage this transitional period and the various topics that are difficult to deal with just by yourselves, we have Reverend C.A. Benjamin and his wife Kamala Benjamin, along with a couple of us in Hyderabad, who will help you understand where you are, where you have to be, and how you can make the transition going stronger together.
Parenting. It's the most rewarding and the most challenging calling that God has given us. From the curious questions of a 5-year-old to a teenager's roller coaster ride, every stage needs wisdom, patience, and a whole lot of prayer. Join us for an inspiring, interactive, and practical conversations around parenting, designed to equip you for the years that matter the most. We will dive into topics like biblical styles of parenting, understanding your child's unique personality, how to deal with peer pressure, and especially understand when the use of technology can ruin your child's life and also build your child's life. One of the areas that we will also look at is how far should we pamper our children, and at what stage do we need to ensure that we build their confidence. Because parenting isn't just about raising kids. It's about raising disciples and leaders who change the future. Come join us for these 2 days where we're going to grow stronger as a couple, and as parents, we equip ourselves to raise our family in such a way that our family is a blessing for generations to come.